Hi, welcome to the Mix Up channel. Please watch and enjoy.
Hi, welcome. Let's go inside the story of a legend. Usain Bolt, the lightning legend. Usain St. Leo Bolt, born on August 21, 1986, in the rural district of Sherwood Content, Trelawney, Jamaica, rose from a small town boy with boundless energy to become one of the most celebrated athletes in world history. Known globally as the fastest man alive, Bolt transformed sprinting, broke records once thought untouchable, and brought charisma, joy, and showmanship to the track in a way no athlete had ever done before. Early life. A boy built for speed. Growing up in the quiet hills of Trelawney, Bolt's childhood was marked by playful races through the community, football matches with friends, and an effortless natural speed that separated him from the rest. His parents, Wellesley and Jennifer Bolt, ran a local grocery shop, and though they lived modestly, they provided structure, discipline, and encouragement. Bolt's athletic talent became clear at Waldenshire Primary School, where he would outrun classmates with ease, often barefoot. His first official recognition came at the Jamaica Teachers' Games, where observers noted not just his speed, but how relaxed and joyful he appeared while running, traits that would later define his entire career. Finding a path in track and field. After moving on to William Knibb Memorial High School, Bolt attracted the attention of teacher and coach Pablo McNeil, a former Jamaican sprinter. Bolt initially preferred cricket and football, but his overwhelming pace pushed him toward track. McNeil and the coaching staff worked to refine his technique, introduce discipline, and shape raw talent into world-class potential. Bolt's international breakthrough began early. 2001, competed at the Carifta Games. 2002, at just 15, he won the World Junior Championships 200 meters in Kingston, becoming the youngest World Junior gold medalist in history. His towering 6 feet 5 inches frame made him an unconventional sprinter, but his stride length, power, and flexibility made him unlike anything the sport had ever seen. Rise to stardom, overcoming injuries and expectations. Bolt's junior career was brilliant but inconsistent, as injuries frequently disrupted his progress. Despite this, Jamaica and the world saw his incredible potential. A major shift came when he joined forces with coach Glenn Mills, who refined Bolt's mechanics and strengthened his mental approach to competition. By 2007, Bolt had begun smashing national and international records. What came next would rewrite athletic history. The Olympic phenomenon. Beijing 2008. The world stops to watch. The 2008 Beijing Olympics were Bolt's moment of global arrival. In a performance that defied belief, he broke the 100 meters world record, 9.69 seconds, celebrating before crossing the finish line. Destroyed the 200 meters world record, 19.30 seconds. Anchored Jamaica's 4x100 meters team to a world record gold. His combination of speed, swagger, and childlike joy made him an instant icon. London 2012, cementing greatness. Bolt returned to the Olympics under pressure, but delivered brilliantly, becoming the first man in history to win 100 meters gold in consecutive Olympics. 200 meters gold in consecutive Olympics. 4x100 meters relay gold with another world record. The world now viewed him not just as a champion, but a once-in-a-lifetime athletic phenomenon. Rio 2016, the triple-triple. At the Rio Olympics, Bolt completed what he called his triple-triple. 100 meters gold, 200 meters gold, 4x100 meters relay gold. This made him the only athlete to win all 3 events at 3 consecutive Olympics, a feature unmatched in track and field history. Note: 1 relay medal was later stripped due to a teammate's doping case, but Bolt's personal performances remain untouched. World records that still stand. Bolt's records are among the greatest achievements in human speed. 100 meters 9.58 seconds Berlin, 2009. 200 meters 19.19 seconds Berlin, 2009. 4x100 meters relay 36.84 seconds London, 2012. These times have stood for more than a decade, and many experts believe they may last for generations. Life beyond the track. After retiring in 2017, Bolt explored football, training with clubs including Borussia Dortmund and a professional stint in Australia. Entrepreneurship, launching the A-Team music label, a champagne brand, and partnerships with numerous global companies. Philanthropy, supporting children's education and community initiatives in Jamaica through the Usain Bolt Foundation. He also became a father to 3 children, Olympia Lightning, St. Leo, and Thunder Bolt, a personal chapter he often describes as the most rewarding of his life. Legacy. Usain Bolt's influence reaches far beyond athletics. He reshaped how the world views sprinting, making it fun, entertaining, and globally celebrated. His iconic, lightning bolt, pose became a symbol of excellence, confidence, and Jamaican pride. More than a champion, Bolt is a cultural hero, an ambassador for Jamaica, and a reminder that extraordinary talent can come from the humblest beginnings. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media platforms. Like, comment, share,